Got an Infiniti sitting in the driveway that you're not sure what to do with? Whether it's been written off, it's done too many kilometers, or it just needs more repairs than it's worth, there's a simple way to turn it into cash today. Infiniti builds some genuinely impressive cars. Sedans, SUVs, performance models, they're built with quality in mind. But even the best vehicles reach a point where holding on to them doesn't make sense anymore. If your Infiniti is damaged, unregistered, non-running, or just taking up space, For Cars Perth will buy it from you. They're a family-owned business serving all of Perth, and they buy every Infiniti model, the Q50, Q70, QX70, QX80, G37, the FX series, the M series, and more. Whatever you've got, whatever condition it's in, they want to hear from you. The process is straightforward. You contact them for a free quote. They'll give you an offer based on your Infiniti's condition, location, and actual market value. There's no mucking around and no obligation. All the paperwork is handled digitally, so you can sign everything from home without having to go anywhere. Once you accept the offer, they come to you. Their towing service is completely free, and it covers every Perth suburb: Joondalup, Fremantle, Rockingham, Midland, Canning Vale, Armadale, Osborne Park, Ellenbrook, Hillaries, Beaver Lake, and everywhere in between. They pick up your Infiniti and take it away at no cost to you. Payment is made on the spot. You can receive cash directly, or they'll transfer the funds to your bank account via OSCO the moment they collect your vehicle. It's immediate, it's secure, and there's nothing left for you to deal with. They also handle every vehicle responsibly, recycling and disposing of parts in an eco-friendly way. So you're not just getting a fair deal, you're doing the right thing by the environment too. If you've got an Infiniti you're ready to part with, give the team at For Cars Perth a call today. They'll get you a free quote quickly and arrange a pickup time that suits you. Phone 0420-262-651 or come and see them in person at 5 Hankey Place, Welshpool, Perth.